Domino fact families. So it's going to be kind of like when we did our ice cream scoop fact families, but this time we're going to use dominoes instead. So now if you notice already, there isn't a third number for you to use. So what you have to do is add the two dominoes together to get your third number to use in your fact families. Okay? So what I'm going to do first is add 2 plus 3. And 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay? Now we're going to use these three numbers, 2, 3, and 5, to make our fact families. Okay? So my first one I'm going to make is our two addition problems. Now with my addition problems, the big number always goes on the end, the biggest number. Okay? And I'm just going to start with my first one, 2 plus 3. Okay? And then take my other fact in that fact family, I would just switch my 2 and my 3. So my next one would be 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay? Friends, now when I use my subtraction facts, okay, we can't use the little numbers first because 3, maybe let's say 3 minus 2, if I have 3 and I take away 1, 2, I only have 1 left. And 1 isn't one of our three numbers. Okay, so we always have to start with our biggest number. So we're going to start with our 5, and then let's start with our 2. 5, take away 2, 1, 2, gives us 3. I'm going to start with my 5 again, and we're going to flip these two numbers. So 5, take away 1, 2, 3 equals 2. And we just finished that one. Okay, let's look at our next one. We have a 1 and a 6. 6 plus 1 more, we know equals 7. Okay, so with our biggest number, we put that one on the end for our addition facts. Okay, and I'm just going to start with my top domino, 1, and my bottom domino, 6. 1 plus 6 equals 7. To get our second addition fact, we just flip these two right here. So I'm going to add 6 plus 1, and that equals 7. Now remember, friends, when we do our minus facts, you need to look at the biggest number of the three. So 1, 6, and 7. Which one's the biggest number? 7, right. So we're going to fill in a 7 first on both of them. And I'm just going to pick my first domino. You can pick your second one to start with if you wanted to, but I always like to pick my first one. So 7 minus 1 equals 6. And now we're just going to flip these two now, and 7 minus 6 equals 1. Okay, friends, that's how you're going to do your Seesaw today. There's going to be 4 of these problems on 2 pages on Seesaw. Okay, so we'll see you next time.